Hello students, before we go to exercise 11.2 of chapter perimeter and area, we will see a short introduction video. Okay, so exercise 11.2 is based on area of parallelogram and triangle. So first of all, we will discuss the formulas for area of parallelogram and area of triangle, how we can calculate. So let us see. First of all, when we talk about parallelogram, we know what is the shape parallelogram. So parallelogram is a simple quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel sides. Okay, as the name is parallelogram, it has two pairs of parallel sides. It is also denoted as parallelogram. We write it like this. Okay, parallel, symbol of parallel, and GM. Okay, so this is the meaning of this is parallelogram. So for finding area of parallelogram, the formula is base into height. This is the formula we will be using this in our next exercise. So area of parallelogram is base into height, or you can write B into H or BH. Okay, BH also you can write. No sign means multiplication sign is always there between these two. So this way, this is the formula for area of parallelogram. Now when we talk about height, the height is always straight. We have to see that the height, it should be always straight, it should be perpendicular. Okay, so height, how we can take? We can take any of the sides as the base of the parallelogram, and the perpendicular drawn on that side from the opposite vertex is the height of that parallelogram. Okay, for example, if this is the parallelogram, okay, and if this is the base means the baseline where the height falls. So this straight line which we draw from here from the opposite vertex, this will be the height, and where this line falls on this side, so this will be the base. Okay, suppose if the height is taken from this side, then this is the height and this is the base. So wherever the height falls, that side becomes the base. Okay, so this way we just have to multiply height and base and we get the area of parallelogram. Here is one example to understand that. Okay, find the area of the figure given below. So this figure is given to us and we have to find out the area. This figure is a parallelogram. If you see carefully, this parallelogram, height and base both are given to us. So this part which is straight is height and this is base. So 6 centimeter is our height and 8 centimeter is our base. So how we will solve this? Okay, so for solving this, we need to apply the formula. So base is given 8 centimeter and height of parallelogram is given 6 centimeter. Formula for finding area of parallelogram is base into height. So we just have to multiply these both. 8 centimeter into 6 centimeter. So 8 6 will be 48 and centimeter into centimeter will be centimeter square. So 48 centimeter square. Okay, it should be centimeter square. So this will be the answer. 48 centimeter square will be the area of this figure. So this way we can calculate. If height and base both are given, we just have to multiply and simply we get the answer. Now we will see area of triangle. How to find area of triangle? So triangle is a three-sided closed polygon that we know. We are learning this from the lower classes. That triangle is a three-sided closed polygon. If we join two congruent triangles, okay, अगर हम दो सेम ट्राइंगल को अगर उसको ज्वाइन करेंगे, then what we will get? We will get the shape of a parallelogram. So area of triangle will be half of the area of the parallelogram. In simple language, इफ़ यू सी द शेप ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम, ओके, दिस इज पैरेललोग्राम, अगर इसको हम यहाँ से कट करेंगे, ओके, यहाँ से इसको मैं कट करूँगी, तो ये जो हमारा फर्स्ट पीस है एंड दिस सेकेंड पीस, बोथ आर सेपरेट triangles. If you see, if we cut from here, we get two triangles. We get two triangles. So what will be the area of this one triangle? It will be half of this whole parallelogram. So for finding area of triangle, it is very simple. पैरेललोग्राम का जो भी हमारा फॉर्मूला है उसके आगे आपको हाफ लगा देना है, दैट्स इट. सो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल इज हाफ एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. सो फॉर फॉर्मूला for area of triangle will be half into area of parallelogram, and area of parallelogram is base into height. So the formula is half into base into height. So this is our formula, half into b into h. So this is the formula for finding area of triangle. So this is also very simple. Now we will see one example to understand it more betterly. So this is one example. Find the area of the given figure. Now in this figure we want height. So height is always straight, so that you need to see carefully. अगर आप 13 centimeter height ले लेंगे, so that will be wrong. This cannot be height. Okay, height should be always perpendicular. It should be straight. It should be 90 degree. So this is our height, and the height falls on this side. So ये जो opposite side है जहाँ पे हमारा height it is touching the opposite side. So this side will be our base. Okay. So height and base are connected. So this is height and this is the sleeping line is base. Okay. So now we can find area of this triangle easily. We just need height and base. This is additional information given to us. This is not needed for finding area. So area of triangle is half base into height, means half 12 into 5. Now just like simple calculation how we do, that way we will do half into 12 into 5. So 12 and this 2 can be cancelled. You can do cancellation. So 2 ones are, and here 2 6 are 12. Now 6 into 5 is left. So 6 5s are, will give you 30. So 30 is your answer. So 30 centimeter square will be your final answer. So this way you can find out area of triangle also very easily. So area of parallelogram, base into height, and area of triangle is half base into height. Why half? Because triangle is half of parallelogram. So this was introduction video. Now we will move to the next exercise. Now we will see exercise 11.2 of chapter 11, perimeter and area of standard 7th maths. Okay, so exercise 11.2 is, this is question number 1. Find the area of each of the following parallelograms. Here are some figures given to us. Okay, parallelograms are given to us and we have to find out its area. So just now we have seen in the introduction video that for finding area of parallelogram, what is the formula? The formula is base into height. So we need base and height, and we just have to multiply and we will get the area of all these parallelograms. Okay, so here there are A, B, C, D, E, 5 figures given to us. In first figure A, if you see carefully, this is your height 4 centimeter and this 7 centimeter is your base. So ये आपका height है और ये आपका base है. So you can easily multiply and you will get the area. Similarly for second one, this is the height 3 centimeter and this 5 centimeter is the base. In third figure C, 3.5 centimeter is the height and 2.5 centimeter is the base. So as I told you, height is always straight. Height can be given horizontally, vertically. It can be given outside of the figure. कभी कभी figure के बाहर भी दिया होता है height. Okay, so you just have to see that height means it should be straight, it should be perpendicular. So in figure D, 4.8 centimeter is the height and this 5 centimeter is the base. Height falls on this side, so this corresponding side will be our base. In last figure, 4.4 centimeter is the height and 2 centimeter is the base. So these are 5 figures given to us. Now one by one we will see the solution part of this. So as we saw in the first figure, base and height was given to us. Now we will discuss the solution part. Okay, so area of parallelogram for figure A, the formula is base into height or base into altitude. Height is also called altitude. So आप base into height भी लिख सकते हो, base into altitude भी लिख सकते हो. Both are same. So base into height. Base was given 7 centimeter. So 7 centimeter into 4 centimeter. We have to multiply. So 7 4s will be 28 and centimeter 2 times. So centimeter square. So this is our answer of first one. Similarly for B part, again area of parallelogram, same formula, base into height. For second figure B part, if you see, this is the base 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter is the height. So we have to multiply these both. So 5 centimeter into 3 centimeter. So 5 3s will be 15 and centimeter 2 times. Okay, so centimeter square. Now C1, again area of parallelogram. If you see the third figure, this one C part, this is our height 3.5 and this is our base 2.5. So now we need to multiply. Both are decimal numbers, so we need to multiply carefully. Area of parallelogram, base into height or base into altitude. 2.5 centimeter multiply by 3.5 centimeter. ये दोनों को आप multiply कर देंगे. Okay, so Just like simple multiplication, you can multiply 25 into 35. पहले 25 into 35 आप multiply कर दो without decimal point. फिर उसका जो आंसर आएगा उसमें you can keep the decimal point after 2 places from last, from back side. So your answer will be 8.75 centimeter square. Okay, if you multiply these both, the answer will be 875. And point after 1 plus 1 means 2 digit. So 2 digit के बाद आप point रख देंगे, so it will be 8.75 centimeter square. Now D part, we will see figure D. So this is our height 4.8 centimeter and this is our base. Okay, so base is given this side now. Okay, base and height can be given, okay, anywhere. So you need to see the figure carefully. So now we need to multiply this both. So 4.8 centimeter into 5 centimeter, base into height. So if you multiply 4.8 into 5, we will get 240, and point we will keep after one digit, okay, decimal point. So the answer will be 24.0 centimeter square. Similarly, the last question, again area of parallelogram, base into height. So 2 centimeter into 4.4 centimeter, these both are given in the question, base and height. So we will multiply these both. We will get 8.8 centimeter square. So this was question number 1. Now we will see question number 2 of exercise 11.2. Now question number 2 is find the area of each of the following triangles. In question number 1, all the figures were parallelograms. Now here in question 2, in the next question, all the figures given to us are triangles. So we need to apply formula for area of triangles. So area of triangle is half base into height. Again we need base and height. Okay, so here in the first figure, this is our height 3 centimeter and this 4 centimeter is our base. In second figure, this is our height 3.2 centimeter and this is the base on which the height falls. So 5 centimeter is the base. Here this is the height because this is 90-degree triangle, so height is always straight. So this part is straight 90 degree. So this is the height and this is the base. Here height is given outside the figure. ये आपका triangle है, उसके बाहर आपको ये dotted lines दी है. So height is given outside. So here this is height and this is base 3 centimeter. Now one by one we will see the solution part of question number 2. So this is solution part of first one. Area of triangle formula is half base into height. So half into base. Base in the figure is given 4 centimeter and height is given 3 centimeter. So half into 4 into 3 centimeter. So cancellation is possible. So you will do it half into 4 into 3. Okay. So 2 ones are and this is 2 twos are 4. Okay. So this way you will do cancellation. So 2 into 3 is left. So your final answer will be 6 centimeter square. Here meter square is given, which is a printing mistake. The answer will be 6 centimeter square. Okay, centimeter square aayega because these both are in centimeter. So final answer will also be in centimeter. So centimeter square. This will be the solution part of first question. Now we will see solution part of other questions. So second one, again area of triangle, half base into height. So half into 5 into 3.2 centimeter. If you see the figure, this second one, this is your height 3.2 and this is your base 5 centimeter. So these both we will multiply. Okay, so second one, half into 5 centimeter into 3.2 centimeter. So here again cancellation is possible. 2 ones are 2 and 2 16s are 32. Now this is 3.2. So here also we have to keep point. So it will be 1.6. So 5 into 1.6 will give you 8.0 centimeter square. So this will be the answer of second one. Now third one, again area of triangle, half base into height. Okay, half base into height. So half 3 into 4. Again this cancellation is possible. 2 ones are and here 2 twos are. So what is left? 2 into 3. So 6 centimeter square will be our final answer. Last figure D1, again area of triangle, half base into height. So half 3 centimeter into 2 centimeter. In the figure, base and height both are given to you. We are talking about last figure D. So base and height is given. This 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So 3 is left. So 3 ones are 3 and centimeter into centimeter will give us centimeter square. So 3 centimeter square will be our final answer. So this was question number 2, solution part of exercise 11.2. Hope you understood.